Hello everyone, welcome back to Protect Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to answer all your questions regarding the Text Plus update of 2024. And actually, this update covers few important things like some of you people have actually commented in my previous videos that you were able to actually obtain a number, but you were unable to message to other users. You were able to call, but you were unable to text others. But with this update, you will be able to message all the people who are located within the US and Canada. Those bugs are actually resolved, and there are a few more points which are supposed to be noted in this video. And do not remember, in this video I'll also be giving out what are the errors still available or occurring in this application. Some of the errors like oops, something went wrong, please check your connection, try again is still happening in this application. But do not worry, in this video I'll actually be giving out the reasons why these errors are happening, and I'll be giving out the solutions for it too, so make sure to watch this video until the end. Now let us straightly dive into the video. First of all, this update was released at 6th March 2024, but the date which I'm recording this video is going to be 17th March. I know it's become a delay, but do not worry, I'll be covering all the important aspects. The most important bug resolution, or the most important thing to note with this update, is going to be the issue that made it difficult to message other NextPlus user via phone number. That is, TextPlus has two applications. If you go take a look at the store, you would come to know this. There are two applications, namely TextPlus and NextPlus. Well, as you can see, this is the TextPlus application. Just take a look at this application. This is the TextPlus application. As you can see, I have a number with me, and I have created social media accounts with this number too, but that's on another note. Okay, I hope you are taking a look at the TextPlus application. Now, if I'm going to show the NextPlus application to you, just take a look at this. This is the NextPlus application. The only difference which you can actually find is the color lightened in the NextPlus application, and the difference splash screen from T to N, and here instead of my TextPlus number you would find my NextPlus number. That's the only difference you can actually find in both those applications. So if you are actually facing errors in the TextPlus application, you can actually try using the NextPlus application. Now moving back to the TextPlus application, even the numbers which I had in both those applications were actually same. Now I have actually successfully updated the application. Now after the update, I am actually able to message to other people, to other US and Canada people, or the people who are located in the North American continent very easily. Previously, I was getting few errors like, take a look at this, one message not sent. See, this message was actually a message which is not sent. Let me show you. Few messages were not sending and few of them were sending, but now all of the messages are I am able to text everyone. It was a major bug, it was not a minor issue. Now if you're going to take a look at the errors, that is, oops, something went wrong, please check your connection, try again. Well, this error is actually happening, it's still stopped, but now this specific error, that is unfortunately NextPlus, our TextPlus app has been stopped. That error is not actually occurring to me. I've been using the updated application. I mean, in this device I did not, I actually installed the older version, but I have been using this update for a week, and I did not face the application crashing error still now. Now if you're going to take a look at the reasons why this specific error, something went wrong error, has been happening, it's because of a certain law passed by the US government. If you want to learn more about this, then you would have to go back to the TextPlus update of 2023. I actually posted a video on this topic in my channel myself, so please go take a look at this video. This video's link will be available in the description and the first comment. So before actually putting this video, please go take a look at the comment section. There will be a lot of videos, not only this, but a lot of videos links which will help you in your technical journey. Well, if I should just give you guys a summary of what the TextPlus update of 2024 primarily was, it's just going to be that a certain law passed by the US government to reduce the spams and scams happening within the US and Canada. So what they did is they made it hard for people located outside the US and Canada to obtain US or Canadian number. So this helps them to reduce the scams and spams. So I mean, they're mainly targeting the people who are located in the Asian countries, because a lot of scams happening in the US and Canadian regions are especially being conducted from the Asian countries like Pakistan. Now you may ask me, well, are there just no ways to solve this error, and are there no ways to obtain a number? Well, if there were actually no ways, then how could I have obtained a number? Yes, you are right, there are actually ways to obtain a number, and compared to other applications, other market leaders like TextNow, obtaining a number in TextPlus is pretty easy, and the errors are actually pretty easily resolvable. So if you want to learn how to resolve those errors, then please go take a look at this video. This video's link is also going to be available in the description and the first comment. Now folks, that's it for today's video. I hope today's video was informative to you, and if you did enjoy watching today's video, just leave a thumbs up below this video, and if you have something to say to me, just please feel free to leave your suggestions in the comment box. And if you're still not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to support me and get daily updates from my channel. And once again, it's me Surya Prakash from ProTech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.